Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty has given a very good close today. 50 points positive and Bank Nifty was positive by 385 points. As discussed yesterday, the data was positive. So same thing we have seen in our market today. So let's check what's the big player plan for the coming week in FIS and DIS data. So we'll follow by FII. In future index, they were having a long of 54% long and 46% short. So they have increased their long, reduced their short by 3%. So they have 57% long, 43% short. And option index, they were having a 4,86,000 of call buying contract. Now they have unwinded the call buying contract by 2.18 lakhs contract. So they have 2.67 lakhs contract of call buying. So they have booked the profit on call buying now, and input they were having a 4.66 lakh contract of put buying. So in put buying also they have unwinded their positions by 2.84 lakh contract. So still holding 1.81 lakh contract of put buying. So call buying is more than put buying, slight positive they are now, and they increase their futures long also. They become positive, and we have seen they purchase for 415 crores in the cash market. So FII turned positive now. Client are the retailers in future index. They were having 47% long and 53% short. So today they have unwinded 1% long and increased 1% short. So they have 46% long and 54% short. Option index, they were holding 5.81 lakh contracts in call writing. They have unwinded 1.69 lakh contracts, so still holding 4.12 lakhs of call writing contract. In put, they were having 5.98 lakhs of put writing. They have unwinded 50% of their contract in profit, so they have unwinded 3.40 lakh contract, still holding 2.57 lakhs of put writing contract, and they have sold for 824 crores in the cash market. So client they are hedging the positions and also booking the profit. Proprietor desk in future index they were having 58% long, 42% short by yesterday. So today they have increased the long, reduced the short by 2%. So 60% long, 40% short. Option index contract they were having 93,000 contract in call buying. So they have increased their call buying by 49,000 contracts. So they have 1.42 lakhs of call buying, and input they were having 40,000 of put writing contract. They have increased their put writing by 71,000 contracts. So they have 1.11 lakhs of put writing contract. So proprietor becoming positive now, and they have purchased for 715 crores in the cash market. So see, FII becoming positive and proprietor becoming positive, whereas client started booking profit. Now we'll check the change in OI. Nifty, the coming week will be monthly expiry. So call writer and put writer both are sitting at 23,600. So as per the open interest analysis, market seems it will be in range bound only for coming week. Bank Nifty shows some strength. Call writers and put writers both sitting at 51,800. So we have a range of 52,000. So Bank Nifty is slight bullish than Nifty. So Nifty in 1 minute's time frame, market has closed positive but candle is negative today. Spinning top kind of a candle it has formed. Good fight between sellers and buyers, but buyers have won today. So buyers pressure is more in today's candle. This seems the market will be trading in this range only. So Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame it has given a good positive closing only, and candle also is positive now. So see, Bank Nifty is almost ready to touch 52,000 marks. So today buyer has won while fighting with sellers, and this seems more positive than Nifty. So we will not short until we don't get any negative news or we don't get any selling setups. Until we can go long, keeping a straight stop, like we can think of going long only. So that's it, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.